Since the dawn of time, humans have settled indoors from caves and cabins to our modern-day houses. Whatever the shape, we built a place called home. And though it's evolved, the real purpose of a home hasn't changed: to keep what's most precious to us, our families, healthy and safe. No matter how you build it, a clean and healthy home begins with the surfaces we use every day, like carpets, rugs, tile or stone floors. We play with our families on them and proudly show them off as focal points of our beautiful homes. But we also unintentionally cover them in the stuff from outside, like dirt, allergens and bacteria. As much as 30 to 40% of the contaminants found inside your home are tracked in on shoes and clothes. Even with the best preventative routines, we bring in unwanted elements. Luckily, the carpets and upholstered furniture in our homes act like natural air filters, trapping dust, allergens and bacteria, but they need regular cleaning to remain effective. Tip 1. To capture surface level dirt, dust hard surfaces first and then vacuum carpets with a HEPA filter-equipped vacuum at least once a week. We clean our bathrooms more regularly than any other room in the house, and for a good reason. Dirt, grime, bacteria and even mould can build up quickly in places where moisture gathers. A weekly cleaning cycle with close attention to porous surfaces, like tile, stone and grout, helps keep unhealthy elements out. Tip 2. For a healthier clean, avoid cleaning products that use harsh chemicals or phosphates to remove dirt and grime. Did you know that most people spend an hour or more each day preparing food? That's at least 365 hours or 15 whole days in our kitchens each year. All that time creates lots of opportunities for grease and grime buildup. If you have granite countertops, dirt, food particles and even bacteria can settle to the porous surface, reducing its hygiene and natural shine. But regular cleanings paired with quick action after spills can prevent germs from gaining a foothold. Tip 3. For a deeper, longer-lasting clean, contact a professional service like Chemdry that uses safe and non-toxic solutions to remove allergens, bacteria and dirt from your surfaces. You can trust Chemdry to use safe and effective solutions to help keep your home clean and healthy for the entire family. Chemdry's proprietary processes are proven by independent labs to provide a deep clean and deliver superior results in removing unhealthy elements from many of your home surfaces. Chemdry's proprietary hot carbonating extraction process is proven to remove an average of 98% of allergens from carpet and upholstery and 89% of airborne bacteria when combined with a sanitizer. Our revolutionary pet urine odour removal process removes an average of 99.9% of pet urine odours from carpets and 99.2% of bacteria from pet urine in carpets. Our tile, stone and grout cleaning process removes an average of 98.6% of bacteria from tile surfaces, and our granite countertop renewal process removes an average of 98.4% of bacteria from granite countertop surfaces. Chemdry's Coral Green certified solution, The Natural, is safe and non-toxic for kids and pets. With over 35 years of experience, Chemdry is your trusted, healthy home provider for delivering a deeper, longer-lasting clean. Visit chemdry.com to learn more and to find your local Chemdry today. We've come a long way from living in caves, and even when we're living in futuristic buildings in the sky, keeping our homes clean will continue to be a key part of keeping our families healthy, happy and safe.